back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. Real quickly, before we dive in, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed. And if you want to get applications in, the links to everything are always in the YouTube description box below. Today's job lead comes from the company HireVue. Now, HireVue is hiring a customer support representative. This is remote within the United States, but they are looking for someone who is specifically willing to work Mountain Time Zone. So if you're outside of the Mountain Time Zone, you need to convert your time zone to Mountain Time to see if the hours would work for you. But they are hiring in a large array of states within the United States. They are listed right here. I will also have them listed in the description box below. But HireVue is a talent leader. They organize, discover, engage, and access and hire the best talent for places. So they are like a recruitment company. They are looking for a customer support specialist to be the front line of the HireVue experience for candidates that are interviewing and customers alike. You'll be an expert in HireVue's platform and help any of their customers and their candidates understand the value of the technology. You'll document and manage the cases for each support interaction you have. You'll recognize, document, and alert leadership of any trends in contacts and ongoing issues. You'll identify and communicate the support process and product improvements, and you'll delight each of your contacts with positive and encouraging interactions. Now, if that sounds like fun to you, they are paying $17.50 an hour for this position. They do not require any college degree, but they do want someone who has great communication skills, a positive attitude, great reading and writing skills, great with technology, and someone who has 2 years experience in some kind of customer service role. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.